Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you the Codes Build Turnover Report. The Codes Build Turnover Report is used by the practice to see which codes are built the most and the least, which in turn helps the practice with management decisions. All of the billing codes that were invoiced, as well as the total turnover per billing code, will be displayed on the report. First, let us go over how to navigate to the Turnover Report Codes Build panel. From the diary screen, click on the navigation wheel on the navigation bar. The navigation wheel will open. Click on the report segment to open the dashboard screen. Navigate to the Turnover Report Codes Build panel, which is automatically expanded. Now we will go over the contents of the Turnover Report Codes Build panel. A breakdown of the various build procedures, consultations, medications, and materials will be displayed on a pie chart. A legend will be available to assist the user with differentiating between each color-coded item. Please note that in order to exclude any codes build on the legend from the graph, click on the code that the user wishes to remove. In order to get a detailed breakdown of the information found on the Turnover Report Codes Build panel, such as codes used, quantities of each code, as well as turnover including and excluding VAT, click on the Details button. The Detailed View Turnover Report Codes Build screen will open. Various fields are available, showing the total of each respective column between the selected dates. A more detailed overview is given of the total fields, which are broken down into separate billing codes. An entity is a financial organization which has a unique practice number, and the entity column will display the identifying number of the entity that the billing occurred on. The various billing codes used are listed under the code column. The description column will show a short explanation of each billing code. The amount of times a billing code was used within a certain period will be displayed under the quantity column. The turnover including VAT column will show the amount of money billed on a specific billing code, including the VAT amount. The turnover excluding VAT column will show the amount of money billed on the specific billing code, excluding the VAT amount. The total value added tax of the turnover within a specific date on the related billing codes will be shown in the VAT column. The user is able to navigate through the results using the page forward and page backward arrows. To return back to the dashboard screen, click on the Cancel button. If the user would like to download a CSV format of the information displayed and return to the dashboard screen, click on the Download button. Now we will go over the additional options found within the Turnover Codes Build panel. If the user would like to download the chart into a CSV format, click on the Download button. Click on the Refresh button to refresh the graph if any changes were made but not applied yet. The user is able to change the date range from when the information is filtered from, and to when the information will be filtered to. A date picker will open by either field, where the user is able to select the desired dates. The user is also able to hover over each segment in the pie chart for a preview of the total of each item.